This is Trent. This is Kelsey, and that is Alex Steinauer, and we are presenting SoshiKu, which is a web-based schedule organizer. A young child by the name of Andrew Scabry is age 17. He lives out in Seattle. Developed this program because he really saw no easier way of organizing all schoolwork. It really combines a ton of things into one, and it'll keep it together for you. And like I said, he's only 17. I think he would have at the time, so he probably just attends university right now. Began in September of 2008. It's made by a company called The Initialize, I guess you would say. And we'll tell you a little.
This application pretty much keeps track of assignments and projects, due dates, and everything. You can send notifications out to email or even to your phone, like iPhone, through text message. So it's a good way to keep track of your upcoming due dates and assignments and projects.
So why do we choose SoshiKu? Well, it's a really good organizational tool for students. You can use it for day-to-day use. It's basically like an electronic planner. You go onto the site and you put in what your classes are, and then assignments, and it shows you a calendar. I'll show you this later. And basically you pick a due date, and you can set what the due date is, and then how far in advance you want a notification. And then they send you a notification through email or text message, just like I said. And yeah, we figure that it's something that many students will use because, especially like in college, because you have a really busy schedule, so sometimes you forget when things are due. And it's also good because you can use it for collaboration in group projects. Here are some screenshots. This is a screenshot of a couple of courses that I added to my profile, XBuzz and my math. This is if you have friends, you can have the group projects and collaboration. And this is what my profile looks like. You can add that's your activity, like if you add an assignment on an assignment, and if you have partners to collaborate with.
Doing specific Web 2.0 features, and the first is the organization itself. SoshiKu works as a database, so everybody's account is personalized in the right way, depending on the classes that you put in the program and what assignments that you want to remember about. It's also a social network, so you can blog and find partners that are also members of SoshiKu, so that if you have similar assignments with anybody who is in the system, you can search them out and chat and share different files and information so that you can help each other. It's all user-generated content because everyone has different classes, and it also has feedback. There's areas where you can leave feedback for changes, problems, and suggestions that you have for the site. It's really easy to use, and it's supposed to help with grades, and this is the first site that's ever done anything like this. And the RSS feed that's on it is updated personally, so that everyone can see what you're doing if you want help or need help. It's not something you can subscribe to, it's something you create on your own. SoshiKu is it's free to sign up and everything, but you can donate money to it on the site. There's an option to do that, and advertisements throughout the pages are, it's obviously paid for.
We did feel that this site should deal with decent things that it does not. One thing is, SoshiKu is great when you're in school and using it for your class assignments, but if you could take it when you're outside of class and when you graduate and use it to other tasks you have to do in your daily life, it would be great.
And we also like more like notification options, like in terms of just being able to create like your own profile, just make it more unique, and so you can tailor it to what you really want. In terms of company potential, we as a group felt that obviously it's really young. It was made in September of 2008, so it's just a couple of months ago. But it does have it has some room to grow and definitely improve. But in terms of success, it's quite successful. I don't know how many people actually use it, but I mean it's pretty popular among students, college students, and any students who can access a computer. And I really feel like this could be brought to other students just by word of mouth and people talking to their students if they don't want to keep a physical activities list or assignment list or a activities list. And it's free. And anything that's free is good. Obviously. Yeah, free equals satisfaction. That's a resounding theme.
It was also made by a very young developer, so obviously he has some skills, and there's going to be room for the website to grow. So we can wait on that too.
Alright, I'm just gonna show you real quick. This is the website, and this is my page, this is my home screen, because I'm signed in right now. But basically, I had my courses already I put in my XPOS course and my math course, and I have two things that I do tomorrow. I have homework in my math class and a journal assignment, and that shows up right here. And I got an email notification this morning about these, because when I put the assignment when I added the new assignment, I asked that I be notified in advance. So if I was going to add a new assignment, it showed this is the screen that pops up. So if I had paper due, say in my XPOS class, and it was due next Thursday, click on the day it's due. So you can have privacy if it's public, private, or just your friends that can see it. And you can change your notification. You can change it to a day before, 2 days before, 3, 4, a week, on the day of. And then morning, noon, afternoon, evening. The one bad thing that this site doesn't have is that you can't choose a specific time. Like you can't say 4 o'clock. It just gives a ballpark. And you can get an email, or you can get, if you put your cell phone number up, you can get a text message. And that's it.
Any questions?
The developer picked the Japanese word.
Where did you find it?
It was on the Web 207.
Please rate